So as we look at percents, looking at question 12, again, percents are a lot to do with financing. So we have a stockholder sold her shares and made a profit of $1,392. If that is 20, if that is a profit of 26%, how much were her shares when she originally purchased them? So essentially, since we're looking for the original amount, we're looking for the base amount. So the base amount is the original purchase. The profit is actually a portion of what she made off of her investment, if you will. So that profit is actually the portion, if you will. And then the rate of interest is our rate. So if we piece this all together, again, a lot of times I use a triangle. Again, what we know is, the portion goes here, the base amount goes here, the rate goes here, if I'm using the triangle or the circle method, if you will. So what we pick up on is the portion was the 1392. The rate or the profit percentage was 26%, or again 0.26, because again we have to change that to a decimal since our calculator does not do percents. So if we move the decimal 2 places to the left, that would give us 0.26. So what that means is 26 cents on the dollar. So how many 26 cents does it take to get this 1392 profit? So that's what I got to figure out, is what was the base amount to make that happen. And notice how we have a numerator denominator concept. So this tells us really this is a division problem. 1392 divided by 0.26. So if we do that math on our calculator, so 1392, if we divide that by 26%, or 0.26, if you will, that'll give us $5,353. And they do say round to the nearest cent. So that's the hundredths place. So 84 cents or 85 cents. That 6 would mean 85 cents. So that means we have $5,353.85. That would be what she actually had as her initial investment. So if we do 26% of this $5,353.85, if we do that math, that should represent the profit, because our profit is 26% of what she started with. So if we multiply this back out, so if I multiply that by 0.26, notice how that does give me this 1392, which is our profit. So that is making sense in our question. So what I got to do is pay attention to the rounding in this problem. Since they do want to round to the nearest cent, that's the hundredths place. So would it be 84 cents or 85 cents? Well, remember, 5 or more means we round up, so that would be 85 cents. So that should be our answer for that problem. So some of the stuff becomes actually very meaningful when it comes to investing. So keep that in mind as you think about like retirement, things like that, because percents are a big part of all that. Borrowing money and investing money.